Tammy Lynn, because of your history of excessive drug use, your ovarian canal has been somewhat compromised.
What are you talking about? It looks fine.
Yeah.
Forgive me, that's a normal ovary. This is Tammy Lynn's.
Jesus.
Yeah, but I bet this stuff happens a lot. I mean, you probably see this kind of stuff all the time, right?
No, not once, not ever. When I saw this, I threw up, almost quit medicine. Bottom line is, insemination is not possible.
I don't understand, okay? None of this makes any sense. I mean...
It's okay, honey. Come on, let's just go.
But what does this mean, Teddy? Does it mean we can't have a baby?
I don't know, but it's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay.
It really isn't.
Teddy, I got a really good feeling about this.
I know, me too. I mean, adoption's great, right?
Oh, yeah. I mean, Steve Jobs was adopted.
Yeah, and also a million kids who did nothing.
You know, Teddy, this has been nice. You and me doing this together. I mean, it's like we have a common goal or something, right?
Yeah, I love hearing you say that because I feel exactly the same way.
And we ain't fought in like a week.
I know, we haven't. Hey, you know what? If the baby works out, we should get a dog.
Oh, my God. A German Shepherd.
A German Shepherd and a baby together.
It's like the perfect family.
And a gun to protect us all.
Yes. Okay, as soon as we get the baby, we get the gun.
I love our gun dog baby family.
Well, I've gone through your application and vetted your personal histories, and I'm afraid this isn't going to work out.
What?
Why not?
Well, first of all, there's a question of Tammy Lynn's drug conviction.
Hey, I did my community service.
Yeah, besides, that was 5 years ago. She's clean.
There's another issue, and honestly, it's the more serious one. I was reluctant to bring it up because it's a little awkward. Ted, in the eyes of the state, you are not a person.
Wait, what?
The state official I spoke to said that technically you are classified as property.
I'm not a person?
Not according to the government. I'm sorry.
But that is so fucked up.
Property?
You know what, Teddy? Let's get out of here. Come on.
Look, you seem like good people. Be careful.
What do you mean, be careful?
The state official I spoke to made it sound like your status had gone under the radar for some time. Your adoption request may have raised some red flags. If they choose to investigate the issue, it may leave you quite vulnerable.
Hey, just got off work and I heard your message. Is that for real? Did they actually tell you that?
Yeah, it's unbelievable. Property. What, they said I'm property.
Yeah, what does that even mean? Like you're a thing? What, like garbage or a piece of shit?
Well, I mean, maybe more like a hammer or an orange, but yeah.
No, what the hell do they know? It's just a word. They can't change your whole life just by calling you property.
Bullshit. Better ask my ancestors. You know, 1 minute you in Africa washing your clothes in the river, titties out, you good. Then all of a sudden, you somewhere across the world fucking Thomas Jefferson.
Wow, you make history come alive.
Well, why the hell is this just coming up now?
Well, I mean, I've never voted. I don't have a driver's license. I don't pay taxes. I mean, hell, this is the first job I ever had.
Ted, can I see you for a moment? I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to let you go.
What? Why? I've been busting my ass at this job for 3 years.
I just got a call from the Labor Department. I can't legally keep you on as an employee because I've been informed that you're technically...
Technically not a person, yeah. Jesus Christ.
I'm sorry, but as of today, you're fired.
Dear Ted, your Chase bank account has been terminated due to a lack of citizenship. Dear Ted, your Discover card has been revoked. Dear Ted, you are no longer a Papagino's Rewards member. Fuck, that's a big one.
This poor baby booty. It's always gonna be empty. There's never gonna be a little foot in here.
I don't understand. We would have made such great parents.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Teddy.
Whoa, what's wrong?
Look at this. Dear Ted,
The state of Massachusetts regrets to inform you that due to an oversight regarding your legal status, your marriage to Tammy Lynn McCafferty is unrecognized by the state and therefore invalid and hereby annulled. Daddy, can they do this to us?
Let me see that. This is a nightmare. You fucking believe that?
No, this is insane.
I mean, Tammy's the woman I love. You know, I never would even have tried to adopt a dog if I'd have known it was gonna cause me this kind of shitstorm.
Well, this whole thing is complete bullshit. Now, if you ask me, we gotta fight it.
What do you mean?
I mean, we get a lawyer.
Oh my God, can we do that?
Hell yeah. You know what we do? We'll get a lawyer and we'll sue the fucking government for your civil rights.
Johnny, that's a great idea. Hey, maybe we get one of them Harrison Ford lawyers who gets shot in the head and then turns all retarded and nice and goes, what we're doing is wrong.
Yes. You know what? We get out there and we stick it to him good. We'll take that shit all the way up to Judge Judy if we have to.
Yeah. But we don't know any lawyers. All our friends make sandwiches.
No, we just Google Boston lawyers.
Ah.
Jesus, look at that black cock.
This is a very complicated case you have here. Most civil rights cases are, but this one has some very obvious wrinkles.
Well, everybody says you're the best in town.
Listen, your case is not going to be cheap. What is your financial situation?
Well, all of our holdings are tied up in the railroads.
Yeah, Reading Railroad, Beano Railroad, Pennsylvania Railroad.
We're working on Short Line. I own Atlantic Avenue in Marvin Gardens.
And I own 4 houses on Baltic Ave. I was thinking about just tearing them down and building a hotel.
I won second prize in a beauty contest. That's $50 right there.
Are you guys just saying monopoly stuff?
Tell you what, I'm gonna go drive around the block and I'll be back with $200.
I'll tell you what I'm going to do. My niece recently passed her bar exam, and I've hired her on as a junior associate here at the firm. I could assign her to your case pro bono. And then you would get a hungry young attorney, and I would get a more experienced lawyer in return. So what do you say to that?
Yeah, sure. Sounds great.
Are those hard candies, like, just to take?
Those aren't supposed to be out.
Hello?
Oh, fuck. Hi.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. You must be Ted.
Yeah, I'm Ted. This is my buddy John.
Hi.
My uncle says that you guys are my first clients.
It's been discussed, but do you mind if I ask how old you are?
I'm 26. What, is there a problem?
Well, you know, I just don't want my lawyer singing Frozen songs during the opening arguments.
You know, it's just this is a really important case. I mean, Ted has already lost his job. His marriage has been annulled.
I know, my uncle gave me all the details.
Right, but see, the thing is, you know, we don't want to take any chances because the stakes are so significant.
Yeah,
So...
I mean, we can't just rush in anything. We got to make sure we're making the right decisions.
Yeah,
so.
we really appreciate your time, but I think what we're probably going to do is just take a seat and get to work.
Trust you completely.
Yeah, we really feel like you got a lot to offer.
Sorry, you don't mind the pot, do you? I get migraines.
Oh, absolutely.
That's
Me
fine.
too.
Yeah, I'm going to get a huge migraine in the parking lot in about 20 minutes.
Oh, I'm Samantha Jackson.
Ted, how are you?
Good to meet you. John.
Nice to meet you.
Wait. What's your middle name?
Leslie.
Oh, my God. so you're Sam L. Jackson.
That's fucking great, just like Sam L. Jackson.
Who is that?
You ever seen any movie ever? He's the black guy.
That weed is really good. Reminds me of the strain I smoked last summer called Here Comes Autism.
Yeah, I was just going to say, it's sort of like this other batch we had called How Long Has That Van Been There?
No, it's this new strain my dealer gave me called Help Me Get Home.
You know, I'm surprised a lawyer like you gets high. I mean, aren't you supposed to be fighting the war on drugs and all that shit?
Please, the war on drugs is a joke. It's just a way for the government to inflate law enforcement budgets and lock up minorities for no good legal reason. And you, my friend, are an oppressed minority.
Yeah, no shit.
They've denied you the same rights as everybody else just because you're different. And I say that's a violation of the Constitution.
So what do you say? Can you get me my life back?
I'm gonna try.